Hey everybody, I'm going to give you guys a quick update on the Trans Am and let you see what we've been doing here. I got that sway bar put on the front finally and used energy suspension stuff. It's like I've done with the rest of it. It's the part numbers and got my carpet laid out here, you can see that. This piece of vinyl here, I bought this for a bed cover for an S10. And I'm going to use it for a rear package tray covering this car since I don't have one. But we got some parts in, and we worked on a lot of this stuff. We got everything about ready to go back in, hopefully. Got the seats done, back seats, door panels. Got that one over there. Then we did a little interior work. We got the dash back in here finally. We got it bolted down after getting the dash pad on now. And also got sun visors put in. Then, on top of getting all this stuff ready, got some other parts in. Thought I'd show you. We've got several things in actually. I ordered this thing off of eBay. It's supposed to go in place of the 4x10 in the dash, put through 3.5 in its spot. A little bit cheaper than buying a dual voice core 4x10 or trying to make something myself, just made out of plastic. Ordered hopefully the right brake clip this time. The other one I had was bigger, and apparently it was supposed to be for the top where the pedal attaches to the bracket. This one, what I'm looking for, was to attach the master cylinder rod to the pedal. So hopefully that's the right one this time. And you can see we got some Firebird Central stuff. Got the door panel hardware set, as I have 0. And bought, in case my aftermarket ones don't work out so well, I got a couple of the regular clips for the GM window cranks. I've got some around there I can use. And I picked up a used remote mirror bracket, bezel, whatever you want to call it. That way I can get my mirror remote mounted in the door when I put the door panels on. Got an assortment, even another metric, but I figure they'll do the job just fine. These are the little push clips, like for using on your heater control cable, your dome light. It's like a washer with little teeth cut in it that just slides up on. I bought a whole assortment pack, $10, different sizes. I got some seat retractor covers used off an eBay. They're actually in pretty good shape, a little bit chalky, but the trick I found to this chalkiness is if you just sand them off, they'll sand back smooth again. And I don't care if they've got the right texture or not, I just want something that covers better, because mine didn't even have this little lip, and it didn't extend way back here. These are supposed to be for a hardtop car. You guys might be more familiar by looking at them than I am. Hopefully they're right. If not, I didn't pay very much at all for these. I'll just turn around and keep them or sell them to somebody else. This one's actually in really good shape. I don't see any chalkiness on this at all. I think I paid $20 for these shipped. Thought that was a really good deal. And then my other one I told you guys about for this, the little seat button back, like that one over there. The other one I had, the bolt hole was completely busted out right there. I don't see much wrong with this one except for the chalkiness there and there. And like I said, I'm not worried about chalky. I'll sand it smooth as far as that goes. That one there actually, it was the same way. It was chalky, and that's why it probably hits a slick, shiny nail where I sanded the guts out of it to get rid of the chalkiness. It made it really smooth. The other one was far worse. But so far that's what we got done. It's cold here. We got snow today, so I don't do too much when it gets cold. I got a heater, kerosene heater in here, but like I said, fuel prices gets expensive, and there's no insulation. You can see that. It's got plastic up for when I painted. Dirt floor. So, kind of makes it a little rough. But it's supposed to warm back up this weekend, so hopefully we can come out and get some more done. I wanted to try to get a video up. Robert, if you're watching, I haven't forgot about you. My next video, I'm hoping to try to get a better light under the dash and go in depth as to the retainers that I've got on the dash pad holding it on. I don't have any of the wiring done yet, you see. I do have those vacuum lines done that I covered in another video as to what goes to what. I'll go back over those again later. But I was going to do a quick video as to the retainers under the dash on both sides and the lower part. So if I can get me some kind of light and get out here and get under this thing. I done it yesterday and it wasn't very good. So we'll just keep trying to make a better video, and as usual, thanks for watching everybody, and stay tuned for the next one.